Good day, my people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna continue with an isometric drawing. As we're gonna do more examples based on an isometric drawing. Without waste of time, let's just go straight to the question here. We have an isometric projection here. This was one of the papers that was written for in the past exams. It was question 5. It was entry. Says figure 5 below shows a primary view of a geometric model construct an isometric scale. At this point now you're not gonna focus on an isometric scale and then draw an isometric projection of the model. Starting point P must be the lowest point in your drawing. No hidden detail is necessarily okay. Now looking at our drawing over here, we can see the symbol here that our drawing is in first angle orthographic projection. So meaning the views that we have here with a front, top, and the left. Okay, so now if you have to count for dimensions, say with a front, left, and the top. So now we know from the front we can see the length and the height. From the left we can see the breadth or the width and also the height. From the top we can see the length, breadth, or the width. Okay, so now what is our total height, total length? Our total length of the project of our drawing, we have to take a look from either front or the top. Okay, our total length now is 95. Now coming to our total height, we have to see it from the front or the left. So now we can see again here our total height is 95. Okay, our total width or the breadth is either we can see it from the left or we can also see it from the top view. It says it's 70. It can also show that it's 15 plus 40 plus 15, of which it gives us 70. So meaning now we are covered. Now we can start projecting in isometric scale and isometric projection. So meaning now I'm gonna come here using my rule of 60 set square. I'm gonna draw a vertical line going up. I'm gonna draw another line coming this side, going to the other side, the other one from this side going there. Okay, remember as we have discussed that I must first project the cube of which it has to be our box. So now on my length, now I have to measure 95 here. I'm coming to the top side, also I have to measure 95. Now I'm using my 1 as a reference. Okay, coming to the breadth side, the breadth side is 70. I have to measure 70 this side. Okay, sorry about that. So meaning now I have to project my box. So now looking here, we can see 3 views of which the front is going to come here, the top there, and the left on the other side. We are done drawing the cube, or we can say my rectangle on the box. Okay, So meaning now I'm gonna start projecting our isometric. Now the first thing that I have to take a look from my drawing here, I must start with the base. With a base over here, you can see our base is 30. So meaning now I have to measure 30. It's over here. So simply mean now I can start projecting the base. Comes here. It goes on the other side also. From there, it goes from the back, going straight to the other side, where you have to meet this one over here, going that side. Okay, now after completing our box over here, we can just simply now start erasing the lines that are not really necessarily here. We can start removing this one so that we don't have a lot of lines. Let's stop it here so that you can now just see the base. After completing the base, we can see, looking at this drawing from the front, of which is this side, we have to see this, but looking from the left, which is the left side, we have to see this, looking this from this side. So meaning now from the top, I have to see this. Looking from the top, I have to see this. So meaning now you can see there's a box over here, of which it indicates that is this box over here. We have this one, it indicates this one. But now looking from the side, of which is the left side, we see that this one is looked like a triangle, but this one here on top, yes, half circle as it indicated on our left hand side. Okay, so meaning now let's first start with this box over here. We say we now are gonna have to measure the size of it is 30. So meaning and again it says is from here to here is 40. I have to find half of 70, of which is 35. 10, 20, 30, 35 here is the center. Let me just mark it so that I can also use it on the other side. So now from the center now, I have to measure 40, of which it is 40. I have to measure 20, the other side I have to measure 20. It makes total 40. 20 over here, another 20 is over here. Okay, now looking at it going inside is 30, meaning I have to come here and measure 30. It is over there. So meaning now, let me first construct this box over here that I see. Okay, I'm gonna draw a thin line here, going to the side, of which has to be joined by this one. Sorry, but looking at it, it is a height. It is a height from here to here. They say 75. Meaning now, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take it from all the corners of that small box here. I'm gonna draw a line going up. I'm also gonna take this one. I'm gonna draw a line going up. Also, I'm gonna take this one over here. I draw a line going up. I'm also gonna take this one over here. I draw a line going up. But remember, our box it has to be 75 from the bottom. So meaning now here, I'm gonna have to come and measure 75, of which it has to be on 85 here. That's my 75. I can now join it. Here it goes. It has to go to the other side here. And now from there, I have have to draw a line going up there. Now this one has to come and join it there to make a box. So meaning now I'm gonna have to erase the line that I'm not gonna need. The first one is this one over here, and inside the box there, and also here, and this also here. These are the lines that I'm not gonna need. Also inside here. There goes our first box. Okay. Now, they say our second box, of which is the same as this one, they have the same height from here to here, but remember this one here, it is a half circle. It's just that we have to take it from the other side. So meaning you're gonna have to draw another box here of the same size of that one. So now, to make it short and simple, we just have to come here and measure 30 from here, go inside. Remember, it was our center here. So now, gonna have to come here, we measure 30. 30 is over here. Okay. After you've done measuring 30, we're gonna draw a line again here. Okay. Of which now, we can still use the same two lines over here. Remember, it's on the same dimensions. This one over line here, our first line is here, and then we have another one of which was this one over there, of which is this. Okay. Now we have to draw lines going up. The other one is this one over here. The other one is that one there. The other one is over here. Okay, now they have to have the same height as this one, but remember on top they must have a half circle. So now you're gonna take the same height over here, you're gonna draw a line, it comes here. Now the other one, it should come here. You draw a line going to the other side there. The other one has to come from the back. You're gonna draw a line coming there, going there. Again now, it has to come over here. Take a look at the drawing here. Our line now, it has to come over here. There is our box. Okay, we have these two boxes now. The only stage that is left is to draw a circle. The circle of how much? The circle of 40, of which is this over here. But remember, we have a half of 40, of which is 20. 20 is here. So now you just have to construct a thin line going up. So now, what you are gonna have to do now is to measure 20, 20, of which makes 40. Gonna measure 20 is here. The first 20 is there. The other one, 10, 20 is here. So now I have to construct a box over here. I'm gonna construct a box so that I'll be able to draw my circle. So now you're gonna see that we have a lot of lines. You can just make some stars there that you don't get confused which one is your box. So you add in there the circle. Now, as soon as we have that one there, just start the rule. We're gonna say apply the same rule of drawing a circle. Just take a look at that. Take a look at the smaller box. Okay. So meaning now we're gonna take it from this corner. It goes to the center there. So the other one is this one here. It has to come to the center over here. It came to the center there. Now, the only thing that is left now, we take our compass. Now, gonna take our compass now, but we have to draw. We have to take other one here. From that point here, it goes to the other side there, and then the other one. should be this box over there coming down to the center there. So now don't have to get confused sometimes, still constructing, but remember the idea is to draw a half cycle. So meaning I'm going to place it here, I'll bring it closer, I have to take it from here to the other side. Okay, I have to take it from here, I have to draw that cycle. Okay, there's a half cycle there. Now I have to place it here on the other side. Now I'll take it from there. There we go. With the first half cycle there, now we have to draw the other one away at the back. But now, this is what we can do. You can just simply take a look at the points where you were using. For example, I took this point over here. I draw a line going there. I took this point over here. I draw a line going there. Now what you have to do is, from here to here is how much? Is 30. Come straight to that line. Come straight to my line here. I measure 30, 10, 20, 30. 30 is over here. I put a dot. I'm gonna put my compass over here. That's the first one. Secondly, I come over this one. I count again. 10, 20, 30. We are just trying to avoid drawing a lot of boxes. Okay, we have those 2 points there, and now we know they have to intersect this point, of which is this point over here. Oh guys, we are clear on that one. So meaning now I'm going to project it here. I'm going to put it here on this point. Remember, it's 30. Still it's the same measurement. I'm bringing it back to the top. I must first start with this one over here. Okay, I take it from, I'm going to have to take it from, remember we're drawing a cycle over here. I'm going to take it from this point over here. It has to intersect with this one over here. Sorry about that. My compass is moving. Sorry about that, my compass is making a lot of moves. Okay, I don't have a proper compass, so now I can start erasing the lines that I'm not gonna need, of which are these ones over here. Okay, let me just highlight my drawing. You're gonna see the picture of what we're drawing, guys. We have this box over here. just trying to highlight our isometric projections, guys. This is how our drone is gonna look like, guys. Hope you guys can see the picture. Our drone is gonna become something like that. Let me erase here, because normally I need to erase inside here, so that I'll be left out or leave my box. So at the end of the day, our drawing has to look something like that. You have to erase over here. So guys, also yeah, on our compass we have a better compass, because I can see my lead for the compass is proper. If you have a better compass, we can make the nice circles over here. You can see it doesn't make a better circles over there, as you guys can see. We're gonna have something like that. I'm just trying by all means to highlight, so our lines can be a bit visible. Hope you guys can see our complete drawing there. If you have any question there, I'll be able to answer your question there. Hope you guys have a great one, and I hope you're enjoying my videos. If you do like, please like and share and subscribe. I thank you a lot. and I really appreciate that. Thank you.